Mhm. Heading to our tour. Ay, ganda ng lalaking tour guide. Yung staff. Okay, sabihin mo nga yung mga pagkain. Kung ano to?
Ito po ay chicken curry,
Okay.
chop suey,
Suey.
potato marban.
Okay. Pareho ba ang ano ng room 23? Airport. Yan. Ganyan ang Puerto.com. This villa. Yeah. But we did not like it. It's very small. Naglakad kami. Ayan. Papunta na kami sa aming sa aming sasakyang eroplano. Cebu Pacific. I don't think it was like this before. Parang doon na mismo. Hindi ko na ma-recall yung 10 years ago. Pero more than 500 meters din to. Kaya ang dami dito interchange ng commuting. Hintay dito, hintay doon. Oh. Parang mas maganda ang facility ng ng AirAsia as compared to Cebu Pacific. We're going to our flight. Ayan o. Yung mga kasama ko. Thank you, kuya! Punta na kami sa aming ay ko. I just want to be my sister. Mabatik na kami din Systematic naman ang nila 1 to 15 here. Oh my Lord. Hi then, welcome. Hi kuya. Sisi. 5 tayo, 5. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 9 tayo.
Alin ba?
Ako na lang sa window seat. Oh, pag ganun.
Pasok ka doon sa kundo ka.
Excuse me.
Dininala ko sa aisle.
Okay, I'll go here.
Na kasi.
Ko sa gitna.
Hoy, mag-asawa pag-iwalayin mo pa inaayos pa yung mga kargamento Oh, may dumating na palang isa Hindi pa kami nakakaalis. Tagal na namin dito. Bakit kaya? Nagalaw na kami Palang eroplano inaurong muna bago susulong. Yan. CebuPacificAir.com. Yung sa boarding sa nila sa take off na kami galing kalimutan ko kanina. Lapu-Lapu. Dito pinati si Magellan ni Lapu-Lapu. Dito naman niluto ng kusinyero si Lapu-Lapu. Yan. Diba? Dito na po tayo si Magellan. Yan. Let's take that. See? Medyo madami ang lupa. Wala na. Ay. International Airport pala to. Kasi may ano na siya, may EVA Air.
For passengers with onward connecting flights on Cebu Pacific or Sepco, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall.
Ang gaganda nyo dito sa ano, no?
Ako naman, grabe naman kayo.
So, masungit yung nandun sa ano, sa anong kanina sa gate.
Ay, grabe.
Yeah. It was unpleasant experience. Eko. Okay. Salamat ha. Ariku. Punta kami sa arrival, then transfer. Ay, ang daming pasikot-sikot dito. Transfer, commute, transfer. My lord. Airplane. Ay ko. Yan. Yan. Ay nako. Nakaraos din. This is where Magellan landed in Cebu City. Thank you, nakaihi din kami.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ah, yan. Transfer going up. Dito si when Magellan landed in Cebu City. Ayan. Yeah, mababait ang crew dito. So far. Domestic transfer. Yeah. International airport pala to eh. Oh.
Cebu Pacific Flight 227 to Puerto Princesa will now depart from Gate 6.
Gate 6. Oh. Gate 6. We're going to gate 5. I know, but it got changed. Keep going, te. Keep going. Gate 3 to 5. Gate 3 to 5, te. Saan? Ayun, 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 te. Oh, we're in Cebu City. Oh, this is much better. Because this is international airport. Hello. Medyo maganda-ganda dito. Gate 3 to 5. Sabi, it's now changed to gate 5. Check the screen monitor. Ayan, gate 6. My lord, now boarding.
Nasaan?
Gate 6, ano?
Oh, yeah.
Gate 6.
Ay, nasaan ang...
They changed the boarding gates. So it was formerly gate 3. Now we're going to gate 6. Ha. Okay, we'll see. Dinilang pala tayo, lumampas pa. Gate 6. Gate 6 pala oh. Passport? My lord. My goodness. Too much going back. Too much going This is going to gate 6. Mukhang tarmac din to ah. Too much transfer. I guess it makes sense. Hello. waited so long in the bus just to get here. Too much inconvenience here. Too much inconvenience. Transfer here, transfer there, transfer here, transfer there. That's all the summary of flying here in the Philippines. Yeah. From one place to another, transfer again. And the funny thing is, you have to go to the Costco. Alright. Ate, tayo 26? Oh, it's all the front. I got left out by my group. Exiting from the back door. Oh. Kuya! Sabi! Dali ng garden! Nakalimutan mo ibigay! Okay. Hey, let's see the Pacific. Let's fly everyone. Ate! Parang mas mahina pa ako kaysa iyo eh. Oh, imagine. Parang mas mahina pa yung pa ako kaysa iyo. Mahina pa yung pa ako kaysa sa'yo. Ito ang Puerto Princesa International Airport. Para lang Winnipeg. Ate. Sabi, bring your garbage. Bring your garbage. And I forgot to drop it off. My Lord. Ah. Ayan. Arrival. International. Okay. Ang bilis ng dalawa eh. Okay. Siningitan ba naman ako ng dalawang puti?
Ano yung nasa
Puerto Princesa Airport. Yan. Ganyan ang Puerto Princesa International Airport. Walang pagbabago from 10 years ago. No changes. Nothing happening. Oh. Same. Same. Oh. Arrival. Lakad-lakad lang. Arrival. Domestic. Yeah, we go domestic. We're picking up our luggage first. Turn off. Yeah. Welcome to Puerto Princesa City. Oh, welcome to Puerto Princesa yan ha. Oh. Iba na yata ngayon eh. Dati-rati nagla-login pa kami eh. Oh, takbo tayo. Iwanan tayo ng ating mga tourist information desk. Oh. Wala na. Scan me. Oh. 5G. Oh, dire-diretso na yan. Meron supposed to be. Ayan, Puerto Princesa. Supposed to be may signboard sa atin na pipick up.
Sa gitna po ma'am pag may magkapit.
Oo. Ate, dito daw sa gitna. Huh. Puerto Princesa Tourist Information, Department of Tourism, Mimaropa Region, Bank. Oh. Ayan, alis na kami sa Puerto Princesa Airport. Ito ang aming pick up si Toto. Sinet up ng Blue Lagoon. Pahinga tayo ngayon. Ganito dito, papuntang probinsya, probinsya style. Yung pala nung 15 years ago, iba ang mayor, kaya lahat ng bisita pinapipirma sa logbook. Ngayon wala na. Oh, dito tayo sa Blue Lagoon. Asa yung signboard? Oh, ayan, Blue Lagoon. Baryo dito. Ayan, may kainan pala dito, Kablo eh. Siguro. Ayan. Dito kami sa Blue Lagoon, Inn and Suites, Puerto Princesa City, Palawan.
Pag nawalan kami ng connection, ma-reconnect.
2 and 3 daw kami. Maganda yung style nito eh. Nakita ko sa ano. Style ng ano talaga.
Ito ma'am, si room 2 po ma'am.
Pare ba ang ano ng room 23?
Opo ma'am, same lang po ma'am.
Ah. Naku te. Ay ko. Ito pala yung pataas.
Ito po si room 3 sa kabila po.
Wala bang hindi pataas? Yan naman talaga. Umorder kami ng chop suey, steak Tagalog, fried garlic rice, fried rice with garlic, lapu-lapu sweet and sour, bulalo beef, tsaka karik, tawag yun? Pinakbet. Tsaka yan. Ubus. This is our suites. It's called Blue Lagoon Inn and Suites. It's farm. That's the entrance over there. And then you have to go through here. We're on the 3rd floor. So I'll take you to the 3rd floor. Yung si ate. Okay ka lang, te? Let me see. Let me just check. Oh, nag-ano ko eh. Okay, hang on a second. That's where the washroom. And it does have the ambience of rural. See? A farm. It's very nice. Look. Okay. Oh, sandali. Ayan. Mag-uuna kami ni ate. I'll take the ground. She's taking the she takes the elevator. I'm taking the ground. The stairs. Okay. Then going up is much better. My goodness. Let me see this one here. It's another room. Oh, check in. Wala pa si ate. So,
Ate mo,
nagdaan pa ako sa 2nd floor. Chinek ko yung room nila.
ayun pala may supply.
Twin. Let's go this way. We're gonna take the, this time we're taking the, ay siya, balikan na lang. Hintayin kita. Sorry, te. I'll do the video. Here's their pool. It's now 7:23. Our itinerary for today is going to Underground River. Here's the pool. Okay. Yeah, and that's we originally pre-booked at agoda.com this villa. Yeah, but we did not like it. It's very small. So yeah, we ended up. All right. Oh my Lord. It's the reception.
Yung guide po yun.
Guide.
Yung guide.
Ayan. Kasama po kayo, kuya?
Ako po driver.
Oh, kayong driver. Ah, siya yung ano,
Rolly po.
Rolly. Kayo po kasama na maghapon.
Opo.
Okay. Punta tayo sa Underground River. Okay. Si ate ay aming hinihintay. Kami lang po ba ngayon?
First pick up po kayo.
Oh,
Yung iba po.
nakalimutan po ng ate ko yung ano niya eh.
Ako hindi sunod.
Solteros Travel and Tours.
Hello ma'am. Good morning.
Yeah. Morning po.
Morning po. Mabuhay.
Hintayin ko yung aking matanda.
Sige. Bato.
Ground ha?
Sa underground.
Okay. 1, 2, 3 game.
Hello, good morning everyone. So for the meantime, sit back and relax because we still pick up your other companion. We have a total of 12 person today, plus me pa. So then after we pick up them, I will start our briefing, our tour pa.
Yeah.
So just for the meantime, just enjoy the view. The rest of the group is first time to Bas Palawan, except kay Ma'am Nena. Sila Sir Pablo is first time. Even si Ma'am Shirley first time.
Virgin pa.
Virgin pa.
First time eh.
Kuya, virgin pa yung ate ko ah.
Hindi, first time yung ano.
On our way to Underground River, we stopped by here to pick up another guest. Some guests, because we're supposed to be 12. This is a very good community. Camela. Yeah, by Villar again. See? Gated community. Very nice. Solteros Travel and Tours. Ganda dito. Yeah. Ba na talagang DPWH. Pag kayo nagtrabaho sa DPWH, ang iyong kamag-anak, tapos may construction firm naman, yan, kwarta-kwarta, ginapala, ginipiko, limpak-limpak din eh, oh. My goodness. Okay, we have the rest, so we're 6, 9, we still have to pick up 3 more. Okay, 3 more passengers. Okay. All aboard?
Hindi kaya ng electric dito ma'am, medyo mataas ang ano namin. Kilowatt hour.
Oo. Ito.
Kaya mo
Kami ng mga 16 to 17.
Yan. Dami ding tricycle. Wala ditong 8 trikes. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung coverage ng Bastos. Tanong natin kay Mickey Bustos. Mga Mami, his name is Mickey Bastos. Mga nakapost na ano. Kasi oh, paikot-ikot to oh.
6 side.
20 lang dapat, 30. Tapos ka niya, kahit mag-50 ka dyan eh. Yeah.
So right side natin.
Yeah, maganda oh. Imagine, ang liit nating puro isla, puro bundok, bundok kayo nun oh.
Kabinte.
Yeah. Oh, what's up man?
Oops.
You okay? Ayan, break time. Break time muna kami papuntang Sabang. Oh, di na eh. Bawat station naming upuan eh. Kumakain si Kuya Pablo eh.
Bawal magutom.
Bawal daw dito magutom.
Bawal ang ano, magutom.
Kaya ang laki ng tiyan oh. Bawal ang magutom. Okay.
Okay, good morning everyone. Hi, hello, mabuhay, and welcome here to my place. We call that City in the Forest, Puerto Princesa. So since that we are, my group is already complete. We are 12 people, and plus me is 13. So by the way, before I start our briefing or our journal for today, let me introduce to you myself. My name is Richard. Excuse me, I don't know if it's closed. It's still it's already closed. Don't worry. Don't worry, it's already closed because we have the sensor here. So we know it's still open or not. So by the way, my name is Richard and I will be your guide for the underground tour. And also I would like to introduce my partner, our coach captain for today, Sir Rolly. Hello, Rolly.
Hello, Rolly.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different groups because whole day will be together. So let's know each other. So I will start with Ma'am Nena, Ma'am Shirley,
Hello.
and Ma'am Marites, and Sir Pablo. Hello. And they are from Laguna, and Ma'am is from She's from Canada. And the rest, siblings, right? Siblings
Yes.
and wife ni Sir Pablo. And also, we have Sir Frederick. Yeah, Sir Frederick. Where are you from, sir?
Paris.
Paris.
Paris, France. First time in Palawan? Yes. No, and also, we have Sir Javier.
Habla Espanyol.
Yeah, he's from Spain. Espanyol.
Viva España!
And we have also Ma'am Cheryl. Cheryl po ba? Tama ba? Cheryl and Ma'am Meredith. And also Gerald. And where are you from po? Northern Summer. Siblings?
Yes po.
Ayun. And also we have the couple, Ma'am Laurel and Sir Stephen from Australia. Yep. And also the last one is Sir Luger, Germany. Yan. So the rest of the group are first time here in Palawan, even in the underground. So today the travel time, it takes 1 hour 30 minutes from downtown going to Sabang. Sabang is the gateway going to the underground river. And Sabang is the local word of brackish. You know what is brackish? Brackish is a halo. The fresh water and the salt water, they mix it together. We call that brackish, or in local, we call that Sabang. And Sabang is located to the northwest of Palawan. 76 kilometers or 42.7 miles from downtown going to Sabang. Then before we reach the Sabang, let me ask you, do you have any motion sickness, road problems? Everyone's good?
Not in the boat.
Not in the boat? Why I'm asking? Because later on we have also the road activity. We have the long and winding road, zigzag road, a little bit roller coaster, like up hill, downhill. So if ever you're not feeling well or maybe you feel dizzy, just let me know. Don't worry, I have a plastic bag here. And the problem, I only bring one plastic bag. So since that we know each other already, so
Can
we
share.
can share.
Share.
We can share each other. If you don't want to share, it's still okay. We can drop you outside and we'll pick up you after the tour. So almost, like I said, almost 76. And by the way, our schedule for the cave is afternoon, after lunch.
The night first.
Yeah, because they already have a lots of group already in Sabang. We have the big groups of students from Cavite.
Oh, nice.
So, and also, I don't want you to wait and do nothing. So we can offer you some of the activity. So we call that zip line. Yeah, we have the longest zip line in Palawan, in Puerto. 800 meters zip line from mountain to islets.
Wow.
Going zip. But of course, if you're afraid of heights, the other one is the mangrove paddle boating. The mangrove paddle boating is a paddle boat to see the century-old mangrove, even the wild animals that also found here in Palawan. The monkeys, the monitor lizard, the birds, the crocodile. Crocodile.
We've been there to the crocodile farm. I've
So
been there.
then it's extra payment.
Yeah.
It's not in part of the tour actually. So the mangrove paddle boating is 350 and the zip line is 700.
Oh, andito kami sa Palawan. Pag ikaw ay dumating, inilusad ka ng sasakyan, maraming sasalubong sa iyo ng mga nagbebenta ng mga perlas, ng silangan. Yan, mga jade. Ang tawag dyan? Stone. Ang mga stone. May black stone, may blue stone, may green stone, may no stone. Ito, mayaman ang nakuha ng aming madam. Madam, magkano na pamili mo?
500 lang, bili na kayo.
Ah, 500 lang.
Binigyan niya ako dito, 50 lang to.
Ano daw
Itong
naman yan?
lima, 450.
Oh.
So binigyan niya ako nito, for lahat-lahat 500.
O, di maganda yan. Lahat yan, magkakapera ka.
At ito, money maker. Kaya
Money maker, kaya lang magtatrabaho ka ka din.
Laging kasama yun, trabaho. Maghirap ka din.
O, ayan. Oh, good luck sa inyo.
Ito naman yung buto ng bading. Pating.
Ito na bading.
Pating, ma'am.
Tanding.
Buto ng pating.
Ayan. Grabe, pinatay niyo ang pating.
Hindi, ma'am. Inulam lang.
Kinulam.
Opo.
Oh.
Ito naman yung monstone.
Ay, monstone.
Opo, monstone. Yan po yung nag-iilaw. Araw at gabi.
Araw at gabi.
Ayan, o.
Yan po
Yan, nag-iilaw talaga. Oh.
Yan po, ma'am. Ito sa akin, ma'am. Matagal na po. 3 taon na po. Opo, hindi po siya napigtas. Walang nabili.
Ayan, tama na. Tuloy na ako.
Offer you a fresh fruit smoothies to be served you at the restaurant. So we have a single fruit and also 2 fruit combination. And if you want with rum, we also serve shake with rum po. And the best seller for the single fruit are mango, guyabano, and pineapple. For 2 fruits are mango banana and mango pineapple, and 4
Ito tayo sa Solteros Travel and Tours, El Nido. Bago tayo mag-underground river, kakain muna tayo. Sarap to, buffet. Mga pagdating ko sa El Nido, wala na. El Nido. Wala na eh. Underground eh. Beat na sobrang init. With Palawan's best ice cream. Yan ang aming magandang lalaking tour guide. Doon. Gano'n na lang tayo. Test doon ka sa kabila. Barbecue to.
Tahong po. Ito po. Tingnan niyo po.
Tahong?
Opo. Tingnan niyo po. Bagong luto po yan. Mainit po yan.
Oo nga eh, mukha nga eh. Mukhang...
Umusok na eh.
Malamig kuya!
Mainit.
Ito daw mainit.
Ayan to. Mainit po yung dito. Nakalagay ko dito. Gusto niyo dito.
Pakiinit mo nga, nahawakan ko na eh. Punta kakain tayo ng buffet. Masarap dito. When you do a tour at the underground river. There's a lineup. Ito yung mga pagkain dito. It's buffet. All you can eat. Ito yung magaganda nilang staff. Okay, sabihin mo nga yung mga pagkain. Ano na to?
Ito po ay chicken curry,
Okay.
chop suey,
Soy.
potato marbon,
Okay.
seafood spot, spicy tahong, yes. Fried banana,
Banana. Shanghai.
fish lumpia,
Fresh lumpia.
yes. Pipino, achara, ensaladang
Oh,
sitaw.
this is my favorite.
Yes.
This one.
Okra po. Ito po ay ampalaya with
Ampalaya.
chicken,
Okay.
pakbet with
Oh, I
pork,
like this too.
this beef stick po,
Tsaka ito.
fresh meat.
Tsaka yung magandang nag-tour, pwedeng, nagsabi, pwede.
Thank you po.
Thank you ate ha. Okay. Enjoy ka mo sa pagkain dito sa Palawan sa underground tour river. Okay. Ito, kinain ko lahat.
Walang
Maalat.
walang tawag doon. Ayan, yellow.
Start agad tayo ha. Dito tayo sa buffet. Start tayo ng video again. No. Ito yung staff nilang masipag, maganda. O yan. Paalam mo kanina. Pansit Canton, beef steak. Ang beef steak ay medyo maalat. Excuse me. Nasabi ko na doon sa mother. This Spanish pakbet with pork. Okay? Excuse me. Oh my lord. Here's the ampalaya with chicken. Okay? Tapos ito naman ang steamed okra. Oh, I didn't try this steamed okra. Tapos ito naman ensalada sitaw. Ayan. Okay. This one is papaya pickles. In other words, achara. Okay. And this one is cucumber salad. So whenever you go to underground river, you'll have lunch here, either before your tour or after your tour. Okay, and the spring rolls are really good. It's crunchy and super tastes good. Okay, you'll enjoy it. Okay, and next is, can I go there? Oh my lord. Here's banana, fried banana. Okay, and here's spicy seafood. I don't eat spicy, so. Okay, so you guys may enjoy it. Can I keep going here? Thank you, sir. It's so nice. Okay, and this one is potato marbles. It's like a, yeah. Look, potato marbles. Okay. Oh, this one is one of my favorite too, stir fry. When it's veggie, it's always my favorite. Okay. And then here comes the curry chicken. Curry chicken, madam. Okay, if you enjoy curry chicken, try the curry chicken. Okay. And that's it. No more pancit guisado. Okay. Pancit is usually the dish for the Filipinos. And most especially, only rice. Only rice staple for the Filipinos. So, yeah. That's why they have so much diabetic here. Okay, that's it for today. Enjoy your lunch. This section here is they also offer chicken soup. Okay. Chicken soup, maybe it's arroz caldo. They have the calamansi. Okay, as always. Okay. This table here is their desserts. They have the pineapple. They have mangoes, pineapple. They have mangoes. They have, I think this is gulaman. This is maha purple. Instead of maha blanca, it's maha purple. And this one is puto maybe. Puto pau. I don't know, something like that. With cutlery. And that section there is the famous delicacy in Palawan. It's called tamilok. Tamilok for sale. The famous delicacy in Palawan. Oh, you have to order it. There's nothing here. Over here you can ask for the smoothie. Okay, it's yeah, you have to order separately. It's single 150 for double fruit 150, single 120. Okay. That's it. Enjoy. Punta na kami sa aming tour. Ito yung restaurant nila, oh. Ayan. Kasabor Seafood Restaurant, Palawan. Okay? We're gonna go to our tour. We're gonna walk a little bit from the restaurant, heading to our tour. Okay? Heading to our tour. Where did my group go? Okay, over there. Yan. Punta tayo dun.